Hi, my name is Shibman Sharkir, and I am a part of the ATPF program. And today I'm going to be reading a book called The Brown Bear by Bill Martin Jr. and Eric Carle. Okay. Brown bear, what do you see? Me looking at me. Red bird, what do you see? Oh, the bird. I see a yellow duck looking at me. Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me. Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me. Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog looking at me. White dog, what do you see? I see a black sheep looking at me. Black sheep, what do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me. Goldfish, what do you see? I see a teacher looking at me. Teacher, what do you see? I see children looking at me. Children, what do you see? We see a brown bear looking at a bird, a yellow duck, a blue horse, a green frog, a purple cat, a white dog, a black sheep, a goldfish, and a teacher looking at us. That's what we see. The end. Thank you guys for watching.